Hi, I'm Dave from Riva Racing, and today we're going to talk about our Yamaha rear exhaust kits. Our kits include a billet aluminum exhaust outlet that goes through the transom of your craft, mandrel bent aluminum tubing that's powder coated to protect from corrosion, high temperature silicone couplers, and an aluminum block-off plate that covers the original hole left in your pump area. There are several benefits to a rear exhaust kit. First of all, we're increasing performance by reducing back pressure. Also, we're dramatically improving reliability by replacing the factory soft rubber hoses and plastic plenums with this reliable system. For comparison's sake, we're going to take a look at the stock exhaust system in a 2019 Yamaha FX. This is your factory water box. This is the soft factory exhaust hose. And this is the sound suppression plenum that is made out of plastic. This is the same watercraft with the Riva rear exhaust kit installed. Again, we have the factory water box. Notice we've replaced the whole plastic plenum system and the soft rubber hoses with our nice mandrel bent aluminum tubing. We have our high-temp silicone couplers, high-quality hose clamps. There's a lot more room to work in here. You can access your battery and all of the hull components much easier. And we have a much more reliable system here also because we're replacing many hose clamps, replacing soft hoses with this sturdy aluminum tubing. Another big benefit of the rear exhaust kit is this outlet looks absolutely amazing on the back of your craft. Has custom stainless steel hardware, it's laser etched, it's anodized black to prevent corrosion, looks really, really good. It also keeps your pump area clean because the stock exhaust outlet is inside your pump, so it's blowing black exhaust all over your pump area. This comes straight out the back, keeping things nice and sano. Really, really nice setup. And of course, you're gonna love the sound. It's not too loud, but it has a nice deep exhaust note. It sounds powerful. You have the option of running either a stock water box or a Riva performance water box with a Riva rear exhaust kit. And by the way, for those of you who want a freer flowing exhaust with that stock subtle look, we also offer a line of free flow exhaust kits. Thanks for tuning in and see you on the water.